Breaking weather alert. Severe storms are impacting multiple states across the United States right now. Powerful winds, heavy rainfall, and flash flooding are putting millions on high alert. Flights are delayed, roads are flooded, and emergency services are urging people to stay indoors. Meteorologists warn this system could intensify, bringing even more dangerous conditions overnight. Residents are advised to avoid travel and follow official safety instructions. This is a developing situation. Stay alert, stay safe, and follow for real-time updates. Follow Learning ABC to support us.